welcome back to the class. So we have 3x squared plus 4x minus 15 equals 0. Now 3 is known as the quadratic coefficient, 4 is known as the linear coefficient, and 15 is the constant. To solve this question, we move the constant to the other side of the equation, okay? So our equation becomes 3x squared plus 4x equals 15. Okay, so this is the first thing we do. Okay, now the second thing we do is to divide all the terms by the quadratic coefficient. Now the quadratic coefficient here is 3, so we divide here by 3, here by 3, then here by 3. Okay, so you can see we are dividing all the terms of the equation by 3. Okay, so you're going to have 3x squared over 3 plus 4x over 3 equals 15 over 3. All right, now let's do our cancellation. 3 cancels 3, okay, and 3 cancels itself, 1 goes here, 5. All right, so our equation becomes x squared plus 4x over 3 equals 5 over 1. Okay, so this is what we have. Now anything over 1, okay, anything over 1 is itself. So 5 over 1 is 5. Okay, so you're going to have x squared plus 4x over 3 equals 5. So this is what we have. Now the next thing we do here is to multiply. The next thing we do is to multiply the coefficient of x, okay, which is 4 over 3 by half, okay, or is to multiply the linear coefficient by half, okay. So we do it separately, or we do it aside. So you're going to have 4 over 3 multiplying half, and that will give us, okay, 4 over 6. Okay, now we are not going to apply this to our equation yet. We are still going to do something to it. Okay, so now we have 4 over 6. Now the next thing we do is to multiply 4, which is the numerator, by half, and then 6, which is the denominator, also by half. Okay, so in this case, half becomes a scalar. So you're going to have 4 times half over 6 times half. 6 times half. Okay, now this will produce, so you have 2, 1, 2 goes here, 2. Okay, 2, 1, 2 goes here, 3. So you're going to have 2 over 3. Okay, so we are going to square this and then add it to the left part of the equation, and then add it also to the right part as well. Okay, so let's go back to our equation. So we have x squared plus 4 over 3x equals, okay, equals 5. Let me write this well. All right, now so we are going to square 2 over 3. Okay, we are going to square all of it and then add it to the left part, and then add it also to the right part as well. So you're going to have x squared, or x squared plus 4 over 3x, 4 over 3 okay, x equals, plus 2 over 3 squared equals 5 plus 2 over 3 squared. All right, so this is what we have. Okay, now we can rewrite, or we can organize, or we can write the left part of the equation in another form. Okay, so you can write the left part of the equation as x plus 2 over 3 squared. In other words, when you simplify this, okay, you are still going to get the previous expression here at the left part. Okay, all right, equals 5 plus, now 2 squared gives us 4, so we have 4. 3 squared gives us 9. Okay, so this is what we have now. So we are going to have x plus 2 over 3 all squared equals 5. Okay, we know any number there is over 1, so this is over 1 plus 4 over 9. All right, so our equation becomes x plus 2 over 3 all squared equals, now here you're going to find the LCM. Okay, so the LCM of 1 and 9 is 9. 1 goes to 9, 9, 5 is 45. Plus 9 goes to 9, 1 times 4 is 4. All right, so you're going to have x plus 2 over 3 all squared equals, now 45 plus 4 is 49. Okay, so we have 49 over 9. All right, now we are going to, so now we have x plus 2 over 3 all squared. So you can see this is a quadratic equation. Okay, so we are going to move the square to the other side, or our equation becomes x plus 2 over 3 equals plus or minus the square root of 49 over 9. All right, so you're going to have x plus 2 over 3 equals plus or minus, and the square root of 49 is 7, and the square root of 9 is 3. All right, so you can see we have two cases in this equation. Okay, or we can produce two equations from this question or from this equation. Okay, so let's say our first equation becomes x plus 2 over 3 equals 7 over 3. Let's call this equation 1. Okay, and then our second equation becomes x plus 2 over 3 equals minus 7 over 3. Let's call this equation 2. All right, now we can say from equation 1, okay, from equation 1, x plus 2 over 3, x plus 2 over 3 equals 7 over 3. Okay, so we are going to have x equals 7 over 3 minus 2 over 3. Okay, so you're going to have x equals, like the LCM of 3 and 3 is 3. 3 goes to itself 1. 1 multiplying 7 gives us 7, minus 3 goes to itself 1, multiplies 2, and that is 2. So you're going to have x is equal to 7 minus 2 is 5 over the denominator, which is 3. Okay, so therefore let's call this S1. X1 equals 5 over 3. Okay, and let's look for the other component of x, or let's look for x2. So we say from equation 2, okay, now let's go and check equation 2. What is there? Now we have x plus 2 over 3. Okay, we have x plus 2 over 3 equals minus 7 over 3. Okay, now let's work this out. So you have x, okay, equals minus 7 over 3 minus 2 over 3. Okay, so you're going to have x equals, okay, this is the LCM. Sorry, let's find the LCM. Now the LCM of 3 and 3 is 3. 3 goes itself 1. 1 multiplying minus 7 gives us minus 7. Okay, and 3 goes into itself 1, multiplies 2, that gives us 2. Okay, So we are going to have x equals minus 9 over 3. Okay, so you have x equals minus 9 over 3. 3 cancels itself, 1 goes here, 3. Okay, now any number over 1 is a number itself. So minus 3 over 1 is minus 3. Okay, therefore x2 is minus 3. Okay, all right. Now let's organize this. So you have x1, x2, okay, equals x1 is 5 over 3. So you have 5 over 3, comma, and then x2 is minus 3. All right, so we are done.